My lord.
Kelly Khumalo's sister Zandie Khumalo has been very busy on her social media platforms, talking about the ongoing murder trial of the late soca star Senzo Meyiwa. Even though Judge Rata Makgotleng told Zandie not to discuss the case with anyone, she's also dragging advocate Adv Mshololo, who is representing suspect number 5, Sifiso Ntuli. Zandie has been very supportive to her sister Kelly Khumalo. A few months back, Advocate D. Malisela once revealed shocking details about Zandile and Senzo Meyiwa, who was at that time having an affair with the singer Kelly Khumalo. He said that there was no intruders who entered the house, but Senzo, Longwe and Kelly were having an argument because Zandie was also dating Senzo. A fight ensued and Senzo was mistakenly shot in 2014 in Johannesburg at Vosloorus. Zandile took it to her Instagram account and posted 2 pictures of herself and her child and captioned the image. Unfortunately, the photo on the left, but on the left it is me when I was 23 months old, and on my right is Zenala, who is 23 months now. He is a photocopy of his father, Kupila. Nabanye bathi uZandie Khumalo akana matric. Kisanganelwa ile ya fraud ye lawyer Mshololo before I exposed her ukuthi weak kangakanani. Ngabuka nje ngase ngaposta isithombe of my diploma graduation. Basaqulekile namanje. Abakazi bavuke abazi mina I keep slips. Naleya lawyer yabo has never recovered. She fumbles every day in court since I left. Shout out to my bestie at Precious TS for this pic mix. She didn't stop right there. She even posted a picture at her and Kelly wearing ANC dukes and captioned it, Ombolasi, abangahambi bodwa. Haibo guys, I need to show those people that always bully us go social media, why do they get hurt when we bully them right back? Haibo guys, anifani, when we stand up for ourselves, niyakwata, cause tina kumele sibe obanana benu. Niyahlanye okusalayo lawyer Mshololo wenu akukho lutho, and okungicasula is that she is busy representing a known killer that was sentenced to all life about 6 under her representation a case at hand. Mshololo and all these lawyers want fame, but not at our expense, not after we have worked hard, and I hope one day she will have the guts to apologize to all the South Africans for lying when she already knew the truth. Okunye ke anginandaba namabhuli azozwa ngami. Zandie is indeed not happy at all because of cyberbullying she's been getting on social media. She's now dragging all lawyers who are representing the suspects. The murder trial will continue on Monday, 21 August at the Pretoria High Court. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.